y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I have fun Happy Mail to share with you. I got 3 different sets of Happy Mail this week. It was an exciting week for sure, and I thought I would just combine them all and show it to you in one video. So let's get going. All right, first up, I had a company reach out to me called Craspire. I think I'm saying that right, but if I'm not, I apologize. And I believe they are actually based in the UK, and they have wax seal kits. They have actually all kinds of stationery items, but they reached out to see if I'd be interested in checking them out, trying some of their products, and I definitely was, because I have been wanting to try wax seals forever. And so I ordered a few things, and I'm super excited. You guys, look at how beautiful. So I ordered a couple of different handle sets right here. Look at these beautiful roses. How pretty. And the handles are removable, so you can actually change them out with some different seals. And I just love the wooden handles. It feels great. There's a lot of weight to them. Super pretty. So I ordered those. And then I also ordered, because they had some cute handles to kind of change out, and I think it would be so fun to collect. Look at the pretty purple one. I think it's adorable. And I ordered several different seals. So let me show you what I got here. This one is like clockwork. Do you see that? How cute is that? And then they just attach to the handle, so I can change them out. How fun is that? So let's see, 2 roses, the florals, the clockwork. Let's see what else we got here. An E for my name, Elisa. Absolutely love that. Look at how beautiful it is. I cannot wait to give this a try. I have never done wax seals before, and I think it's going to be so fun. Beautiful design right there. And then this one says hope, which I thought was absolutely perfect. So got those, and then I got what they had, that was kind of a starter set of different wax colors. I wasn't sure of what I was going to want to do. They have some different methods for the waxes, including some little wax beads that you can melt. I decided to try this method. So I decided to go with this so I could get the most colors to give it a try. And then once I kind of hone in on what I like, then I can order more of that. So I have all of these beautiful colors to try. I'm super excited, especially because if you watched my unboxing of the By the Well for God kit from this month, there are wax seals as part of the imagery in that kit, and I think it's going to be so fun to use actual real wax seals along with the kit. So I'm pretty pumped to give it a try. They actually also sent me a coupon code, so if you're interested in checking out Craspire, I will definitely leave the link down below and the coupon code on screen and down below, so you can check them out. But very sweet of them to offer to send me these. I will do a video as I'm learning how to use these wax seals. Like I said, I'm excited. I've never done it before, so I'll share with you how it goes, what I learn when I give it a try. All right, let me show you what else I got this week. So this week I also received the Archer and Olive Valentine's Day box. I ordered it. I am loving Archer and Olive recently. Their journals are just beautiful. I love their acrylograph pens, and that's one of the big reasons that I ordered this particular box. So like I said, it was Valentine's Day themed. You actually received some beautiful body butter, strawberry cheesecake. I wish we had like smell-o-vision for YouTube, because this smells gorgeous. It is for body and hair. So I've used it on my skin. It's absolutely beautiful. I haven't tried it in my hair yet, but I love how they are partnering with another small business to kind of promote them. As Archer and Olive grows, they're able to promote other businesses, and I think that's fantastic. So they included body butter in their box, and then you also received a few little note cards and envelopes right here. Super cute, very simple designs like you see from Archer and Olive, but absolutely just adorable, perfect for Valentine's Day. And you can see you have the little note cards here. So fun. You have 2 sticker packs, great for in your journal. If you're a bullet journaler, these are absolutely perfect, but also for your planner. I love the paperclip stickers. I think those are adorable. And I've really been loving the Archer and Olive florals recently. So I've been using some from the Amy Tangerine set that came with her undated planner, and I can't wait to try these out probably in my morning journaling time. So cute. Then you received an Archer and Olive notebook. Let me show you. A5 size, and of course red for Valentine's Day. Beautiful with the swan on the front. And then let me pull this off. It's very tight on here. Swan on the front, absolutely gorgeous. You can see bright white paper. I love it. And then it is dot grid. And you guys, there is nothing that beats the quality of Archer and Olive notebooks. It is thick paper. It holds up to paint. It holds up to your thickest markers or your boldest markers. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm using another one for my morning journaling time, and then I'm also using the Amy Tangerine Rainbow one for some different projects. So I'm excited to pick up another journal. Red isn't normally the color I would go with, but it did come with the box, so I can definitely use it. And I'm actually interested if anyone has Archer and Olive journals that they have painted. So I'm considering maybe doing some extra designs on the front. So let me know below if you have tried that, because I kind of want to give it a try, but I also don't want to mess up my beautiful journal. So it makes me a little nervous. Then probably the reason that I bought the subscription box were these acrylograph pens. So I am loving acrylograph pens, and in their boxes, like in their subscription box or the Valentine's Day box, they have exclusive colors just for the box. And so I picked these up. You have 5 exclusive colors. These are all in the 0.7 millimeter. You have the beautiful gold, and this is a metallic gold. And I've already tried this one. It is absolutely gorgeous. You have this kind of brick color, just very pretty, a coral, a beautiful light blue, and a beautiful kind of seafoam light green. Like I said, all of these colors are exclusive just to this set. So I'm pretty excited to be able to add them to my collection. And again, I use these every morning in morning journaling. I use them in my Bible. I am using my acrylograph pens all over the place and really, really enjoying them. So that was what was in my Archer and Olive Valentine's Day box. And then I received one more set of Happy Mail. Let me show you. All right, last but not least, I received my February subscription from the Paper Person, and that is a kind of scrapbooking subscription service, you know, like Felicity Jane or Hit Club, which are the other ones I'm subscribed to. But I love that they kind of usually have a twist, a little bit of edge to them, and I'm really digging Paper Person recently. So let's check out what is in the subscription pack. So I love this. These are vellum pocket cards. How fun with the foil. You're my number one. And then the frame, so great to overlay over photos in your pocket journaling or in your just regular journaling. So those are absolutely beautiful. Then the stamp set. I love their stamp sets. When I posted my morning journaling video, a lot of you asked about the stamp set that I used. That was from Paper Person, part of their subscription kit. They have stamp sets that are usually exclusive to their subscription kit. And look at this one. If you are a journaler, then this one is for you. They have all of the numbers, 1 through 31. This says, we have the little kind of habit tracker looking calendar right here, kind of a list, your 7-day list, a little block up here, and then the blocks down here. So however you like to do your layout, that is perfect. All of the days of the week in this tiny form. Then let's see, you have documenting, countdown, that's cool, tracking, goal, today, and then start, end, yes, no, now, then. How fun are those? Day, week, month. Like you said, the days of the week over here, kind of in a long line, a vertical line, and then the boxes. So look, you can set up a larger calendar and you'll be able to do some shadows, and you can do a box in half. This is going to be so awesome. What a versatile stamp set. It's kind of hard. I'm sorry, it's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can find a neutral piece of paper so you can see it a little bit easier. There we go. That's slightly better. I'm so excited about the stamp set. It's a super big stamp set, which is awesome. They don't always do the extra large ones, but this is such a versatile set. I'm so excited. It's definitely worth the cost of the kit just to get the beautiful stamps because they're super high quality from Paper Person. So you get the stamp set, but you also get other goodies in the kit. So what they do is kind of mix and match papers that are just out in the scrapbooking world, new releases, things like that, with their own designs. So we have the Alpha stickers. These are a cardstock sticker, a great size. I love this deep blue color, so pretty. And then cut aparts. You have the choice between a traveler's notebook size and the 3x4 or the kind of standard pocket page sizes. I choose these and look at the beautiful designs for Valentine's Day. Look at the King and Queen of Hearts. This was the very best day. Je t'aime. That's French for I want to kiss your face. I love you. A love note. Let's start at the very beginning. These are just beautiful. I love them. And then a gorgeous print on the back. So nice. And then here are the other ones. Let's talk about this new year. I love these journaling cards. I think they're so great, full of awesome prompts. And I really like this card right here too. The other cool thing is that you get the digital files of the cards. So you're able to reprint them if you need them, kind of resize them. And if you're wanting the pattern on the back, then you can definitely use this paper and then print out your cards on cardstock. So pretty. Look at those beautiful roses. I love that. That is gorgeous. Okay, then we have papers, like I said, from different companies. They kind of curate ones that go together. Here is crepe paper. This one is called Good Vibes. So nice. I love the black and white, but I think this was probably the side they were going for. This is also crepe paper. This looks like it's from their holiday collection, but do you see how well it matches in that green? Yeah, definitely from the holiday collection, but the intention is to use the green to match in. I love how they're putting that together. Then we have these beautiful florals. This one is from Chamel. So again, these don't go so well, but this one goes beautifully with the rest of the kit. And then Maggie Holmes, Chasing Dreams. I always love Maggie Holmes. And double-sided, actually both sides probably go pretty well with the kit. So that is from Paper Person. You can see it's a great size kit. It's not like an overage of things where you're just going to be overrun with papers each month, which I appreciate, but you get some nice quality pieces. Love the stamp sets, especially something I always look forward to. And I love these vellum pieces this month. So that is from Paper Person. All right, as you can see, it was a super great Happy Mail week for me. I'm super excited to dig into all of these different crafts to get started and, create some fun projects. Don't forget, I will link everything down below if you're interested in checking these companies out. I do have a coupon code for Craspire. If you're wanting to try these wax melts along with me, then definitely check them out as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Otherwise, I hope you have a fabulous day and, as always, keep it creative.